Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's another month of March that we celebrate a great icon, one person that the whole world needs to celebrate because of his impact, because of his life, because of the purpose of which God has created him to be a blessing to us. My name is Apostle Dr. Philemon Ehimark. I'm the privileged General Overseer of Ebenezer Tabernacles International, based in Ekpoma, Edo State, Nigeria. The man I'm celebrating is my spiritual father, my life coach, someone who, watching and following him over the years, has actually put me where I am today. God has connected me to him to be a blessing to my life. And today, I am joining all that he has impacted in his selflessness, in his pursuit of the kingdom gospel, in his message, in all that he does for the kingdom. So please join me and the entire world to celebrate this great icon, our father, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman. Daddy, we wish you a wonderful birthday. Of the increase of your greatness, there shall be no end. We pray that God will give you length of days. Your life will be full of days. The God whom you serve selflessly will continually bless you, bless every member of your family, and all that you put your hands will continually be blessed. Thank you, sir, for being a blessing to our life, personally to my life. Thank you. Happy birthday, Daddy.
We celebrate you. Happy birthday, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman.